Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel RJ Coding Tips. If you are new here and on this channel, then I create videos on programming and coding tips. If you enjoyed what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way, you will never miss an update and you will be the first to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for your support. So let's get into today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to make a screen recorder using Python, and with the help of Python, it's easier than ever to create your own screen recorder. First of all, we are going to create the Python file. Let's call app.py. After that, let's start with the basics. To make a screen recorder, you will need to install some Python libraries, including the Pillow, NumPy, and OpenCV libraries. These libraries will enable you to capture the screen, store the frames, and then save them as a video file. So in order to do that, we are going to import image grab from Pillow, from pil import image grab. And if I haven't installed the image grab module, pip install Pillow. So mine is saying requirements already satisfied. If you haven't installed, then you can install it by using the command. After that, pip install cv. So this will be the part where our videos will be recorded and then saved. After that, let's just leave it here. And I'm going to write here import cv2. Then we are going to get the NumPy module. NumPy as say, let's say np, in order to create the shape for the video. If we want to take the video as a square shape, then you can use the NumPy to create the dimensions for that. And also, we are going to use it as a rectangle. After that, we are going to define a function def sr. So here, I am going to write width equals image grab dot grab. For this video, we require the dimensions. And in order to get the dimensions, we are going to define two variables here, bit width and bit height, and we are going to get the width and the height of the screen. In order to do that, we are going to import another module. For that, we write from win32 API import get system matrix. And if you haven't installed this win32 API, then you can also install it. Pip install by win32. After that, we are going to assign this width and the height with the system matrix. In order to do that, we write get system matrix, and we are going to do the same with the bit video height get system matrix. So it cannot be the same because one must be the height and one must be the width. We are going to add this value 0 and 1. So basically, this 0 is the width and this 1 is the height. After this, we are going to add here bvox equals 0, 0, and then we are going to get the width height and the width height so that we can record the screen. But after this, we are going to assign this width variable with an array. In order to do that, we write width and np.array, then width. After this, we are going to get the result of the video. In order to do that, we write width equals cv2.cvt color, and then we write bit np, then cv2.co color bzr to RGB, which will be the default property of the recorded video. After this, we are going to save the recorded video. In order to do that, we write recorded video equals cv2.videowriter so that we can write video. And after that, we are going to need the file name. So we can write video1, and then we are going to add the frame rate for that. So we are, let's say 30 by default, and then we are going to add the video width and the video height. Then we are going to use both these variables in order to set the file. So we write recorded video dot write. This must be the video result. So in order to call this function, we are going to make it a loop by writing while true. So it will go on continuously until a break statement is applied. We write sr file name, which must be equals to cv2 dot video writer for cc. Then we are going to make it mp4 format, mp4 format. Then add this v. After this, let's copy this file name. Let's copy this file name and paste it here in the video one. After this file name, we are going to change this video part also. In order to do that, let's say we write save file, and here save files, which must be equals to, let's say, video dot mp4. Let's run it. So we can see that there is a video. This video is continuously recording what we are doing on the screen. So let's add a line which will show what we are recording in live. We write cv2 dot I am show, then we write with rest. Let's add a title, and the title must be like our screen recorder. There will be error if we keep on calling this function again and again. So let's remove this function from here. After that, we are also going to remove this function calling. We are going to remove this function call, and here we are going to grab this and bring that down to here. After this, in order to stop the screen recording, we are going to add this code. If cv2 dot wait key, let's say 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, it will stop. Let's say we give X, then if we press the X button, then it will break the loop. So just run it, and we can see that above screen is here, and this is our screen recorder. Our screen is currently being recorded. Let me bring that here, and the screen recorder here. So whenever we are changing this screen, we can see that our screen is recording in live by our screen recorder. And if we want to quit, then we can simply press X on in here. So come to this screen recorder and let's press X. So the code breaks and our loop exits. Let's check the video. So here you can see that our video is playing. So in conclusion, Making a screen recorder using Python is a great way to capture your screen and create video content for various purposes. So you don't need any third-party software to record your screen. You can just create your own screen recorder app using a few lines of Python code. There won't be any watermarks and you won't need to purchase. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way, you will never miss an update. Thank you for your support and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.